how to create a Badoo account. So if you want to create a Badoo account, then first of all open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and then in the search bar search for Badoo login, and then here on the first search you will have badoo.com. Click on that, and now it will directly take you to the sign up page. So to create an account, you can either sign in through your Facebook, or you can also sign in with your email or phone number. So to sign in with your Facebook, you can simply click on this. But if you don't want to sign in with your Facebook, then you can click here so that you can sign up with your email or mobile number. So enter your email. And now on the next step, you have to create your password. The password must be at least 8 characters. So enter your password. And now after entering your password, click on create account. And now you have to add some details about yourself. So first you have to enter your first name. And after entering your name, you have to enter your date of birth. And on the next step, you have to enter your location or your city. And after entering that, on the next step, you can choose your gender. And then after entering all of this, you can simply click on continue. You can upload your photos. And after uploading your photo, you can click on continue. And now here's the last step. So to complete the registration, you have to check your email. And after checking your email, you have to tap on the email to verify your account. So that's it guys, that's how you create a Badoo account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.